Say hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. You are going to break your bones so much. Aren't you? Can you tell everybody what you're doing? You're eating your first oatmeal. Yeah. Yum! What a big boy. I know, it's so exciting. I gotta hold you still a little bit. It's so exciting, isn't it? Look at you eating big boy food. I know. It's crazy. And I can't hold the camera, though, and give you food at the same time. It's kind of difficult just to do one. Oh, that was that. Yum! What a big boy. Do you love it? You want another bite? Do you want another bite? Yeah? Here comes. Here comes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yum. How was that? It's so good, isn't it? It's so good. I know. I'm pretty excited for you, too. I'm pretty excited. You're such a big boy. Another bite?